Hey guys, been doing another corn snake setup. I forgot the bedding in. I got ass in like last time. We're gonna put in the water bowl. Forgot where it was. Then we're gonna put in the rock. Like that. That's some crickets. Doing sound. We're gonna put in a coconut. Right there. There. We're putting in a fake plant. Like that. Kind of wrap it around. And put in this grapevine. Figure out how to do that. Okay. Like that. I'm gonna put in this thick plant. Like on top of the grapevine. Like that. And put this in. And I'll just put it at the side of it. Like right here. Then we'll put him in. He just ate a Pinky. I should have made a feeding video, but I wasn't here, so I didn't think it was good. Okay, see the corn snake? Just set him in. And there you go. That's how you get a corn snake cage. See ya.